Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Check it out, we're still working on the Beetle. In this section, the interior part is done as far as the floor. The last part of it I'll have to do off this lift here, and that is I do need to kind of clean up underneath and tack weld just a few spots there and seam seal it as well. But in today's video, we're going to start with reassembling the interior, and we've got new door cards, new seats, new rear seats, and I'll have to make some carpeting because half the carpeting was in great shape, the other half was missing. So I've got some gray carpet, we're gonna have to cut that out. Today's video though is reassembling, and today we're gonna reassemble the rear seats, just the rear seats, and see how well that new seat covers look. Let's do it. Check this out. Looking good. Looking good. I think it came out real nice. So next step, and I know this is kind of a short video, probably the shortest in the series. Next step is I've got that piece of carpet, needs to be cleaned still, and then we're going to cut carpeting just for the base here on both sides. Oop, went blurry. All right, so the next step is I have this piece of carpeting. We're just going to have to clean it up a bit. And then in cutting out pieces for this and this and this and this for carpeting, we'll glue that on there. We're ready to reinstall the front seats. Then it's on to that last little bit of mechanical before taking a ride. I already got tags for it, so I'm excited.